We are getting closer to the specimen. Oh, he's running away.
Squirrels.
He's running away. We will find him, Watson.
Which biology class are you gathering this data for?
This is for the squirrel biology class. He's trying to get away, but we won't.
Specialized subject study?
We won't let him. Yeah, this is a very special subject. You need.
This is just something you're gathering for YouTube, isn't it?
No, this is not for YouTube.
You're gonna put some kind of techno behind these guys running around and eating, aren't you?
He's trying to get away from me. There's no use running. I will
Oh, I
find
see. You're trying
you.
to prove the theory that they're Russian spies.
There he is. Don't try to hide. Don't try to hide, my dear. Where are you? He keeps running away. Ah, there he is. No! Blasted. Do you see him? This is the eye of evil. He knows. He knows what we want.
I don't know what we want.
He knows.
I don't really understand what it is we're doing.